Hello. arch-viz version 1.65 features a new profile rebuilding tool that enables you to visualize and interactively set the UV seam position for one or more profiles prior to sweeping. Here, the white circle indicates the current position of the first point of the polygon, where the UV seams will be created by the sweep tool. You simply need to click on a handle to reset the first point position. Wow, that was easy. But we did not stop there. We added even more functionality, from setting corner detection sensitivity, to removing unneeded collinear points, to adding inset points that will generate holding edges when swept in readiness for subdivision smoothing. Moreover, this tool supports working with multiple profiles at once, and provides the option to transfer settings from one profile to all. Let's take a look. When building polygons in Modo, you must start with a convex corner. But when does a point form a corner? This is where corner detection level comes in. By adjusting this level, you can tune the tool to limit which points should be considered as convex or concave corners. Here's an example of a closed-loop Bezier profile that's been frozen. As you can see, we have handles at points that by eye would be considered to be inline or straight. However, the tool considers them to be convex. By turning down the corner detection sensitivity, you can effectively remove these points from consideration. Very handy. Now that's done, it would be nice to remove those excess points along the straight sections between the convex corner handles, which were created when the Bezier was frozen. We can do just that by checking the Remove Collinear Points property in the user interface. As we have seen, you can tune this tool's sensitivity and remove unwanted points, but what if we plan to apply subdivision smoothing to our swept geometry? If we sweep this profile as is, we know the shape will collapse when smoothing is applied. Of course, we could manually add extra points beforehand, or add many bevels or apply edge weights after sweeping, but what if we could do this quickly, in a precise and portable way? We can do just that, by taking advantage of the inset feature of the Profile Rebuilder. It will add points inset from the ends of each edge, at a precise distance. These extra points will create holding edges when the profile is swept, as you can see here. When working with multiple profiles in a single mesh item layer, you can interactively select them by clicking on their first point handles. Once active, simply select one of the convex corner handles to set the first point. Then, click Away to return to the group overview. As you can see here, you can rapidly switch between profiles to hide or control where the UV seams will be located when these profiles are extruded. And, to save time, you can quickly apply your settings from one profile to all profiles in the same mesh item layer, using the handy Apply to All buttons in the user interface. Oh, by the way, you can use this tool to remove and rebuild the inset points as needed, by taking advantage of the previously mentioned Remove Collinear Points option. And that's it. The new Profile Rebuilder tool for Archie. It's all about the workflow. Discover more about Archie at thethirdguild.com.